my name is Victoria. Today I would like to introduce you this deep tissue portable massager. I got this product for review. Let's open it and see what is inside. Wow. We have here charger, instruction. Here's our massager. Wow. Right, we have a bag to keep it at home, or if you want to take it with you. This is our product. Wow, that looks so nice. I love it. It's pretty heavy. Let's open it with this package. Here's we have remote control. We have extra balls that we can change it. We have a charger here, type C, and instruction, of course. All right, let's try it. Ooh, you just need to press the button. Wow, it's so powerful. Oh my god. Guys, this is so powerful. We have different levels. Wow. We have different type of massage. If you're tired after work, you can just lie down on your couch, press the button, and relax. Wow, guys. And it has remote control. You can switch it or harder. Wow. You can turn it off, turn it on. Actually, you can use for legs as well. If you're going to the gym and your legs muscles in pain, this is really great relax. Wow. Oh, guys, this is must have. Friends, this is definitely great massager I ever see in my life. Very powerful, very easy to use. You can take it with you. You can use it at home, at work, or if you travel. I will definitely recommend you to buy on Amazon.